In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Gantt chart in Wrike. Wrike's Gantt chart is a powerful tool used for project management, enabling you to visualize your project's timeline and keep track of various tasks. Let's walk through how to set this up step by step. First, we'll need to log into Wrike. Open your browser and navigate to Wrike's login page. Click on the login button and you'll be presented with various options to access your account. If you use Google for easy access, click on the Google option and select your account from the list. This seamless integration makes it quick to jump into your projects without additional sign-ins. Once logged in, head over to your specific project. If you're involved in multiple projects, you'll need to select the one you want to create a Gantt chart for. Simply navigate through your workspace to find the project folder you will be organizing using the Gantt chart. This sets the stage for visualizing the tasks and deadlines within this project. Next, focus your attention on the top of your table view. Here you'll see a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that, as this is your gateway to adding various views, including our target today, the Gantt chart. This is a convenient way to access different tools and organize your project's information effectively. After clicking on the plus icon, you'll notice an option for the Gantt chart. Select it, and this action will set up the basic framework for your visual timeline. Gantt charts are excellent for overseeing the sequences of tasks and understanding their overlaps and dependencies at a glance. Now you will see a prompt to click on Create. This is where we officially establish our Gantt chart within the project environment, allowing us to visualize and edit the timeline further. Creating this chart is crucial for making adjustments that align with your project goals. With the Gantt chart in place, it's time to start populating it with tasks. Click on Add an item to begin this process. For each task, type in the descriptive name to give clear insight into what the task entails. This name will show up on your Gantt chart, offering a concise label for each segment of your project. For each task, you must specify the start and end dates. These dates are pivotal as they define the duration for each task and how it fits within the overall project timeline. The precision here is key to accurate project tracking and timeline adjustments. Finally, head over to the timeline section of the Gantt chart. This area allows you to adjust the due dates of tasks directly by simply dragging the edges of the taskbars to their appropriate start and finish points. This feature is particularly useful for adapting to changes and ensuring deadlines are feasible, and that wraps up how to set up and use a Gantt chart in Wrike. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive visual tool that enhances your project management efficiency, allowing for clearer timelines and better coordination among team members. Happy planning!